Okay, but you hurt the shit out of him. It reduces the effectiveness. This is why I say things.
Oh, he almost died.
Exactly. I know. Do you understand?
It's not my fault. It's your raptor's fault.
I know, but you realize 2 arrows don't actually hurt him. It like takes off like a tiny slither of health and sometimes 0, dude. Whoa. Yeah, we need to find this guy prime meat. Yeah, dude. Yo, stick a stack of meat on him. And stick a couple too.
I'll go get.
Yeah, if you can get some prime meat also, that'd be amazing. I don't think I can get prime meat with this guy anytime soon.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. Yo, he was literally at 2 HP.
Grab this. Grab it. Why'd you put all this stuff in? Did you need room or something?
No, all this stuff in what?
In my raptor, like these seeds and plants.
Oh yeah, I mean I can take it now that I have a raptor, but I did need the room, and I expected you to drop them off and come back when I gave it to you. But I'll just move it. Unless it doesn't matter. We can both handle this. But if you're gonna be fighting, I'll keep them so they're safer.
Wow, that Bronto's egg weighs fucking 20. Holy shit.
That's a real thing, dude. That's a baby Bronto. It's a real flippin' Bronto, dude. Just miniature sized.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go see what I can do about some good old prime meat.
Awesome sauce, dude. That sounds delightful.
And then if I can get enough, we can definitely.
Yeah, dude. We gotta get Ryan this guy. We'll call this one Pink Liquor. Yeah, he's got the pink things.
Here's a Bronto right here.
What level is it? Don't die.
There's a Bronto and a Raptor by it. And
what level is the Raptor? Oh shit! Don't bring him here. Whatever you do not run to me. Whatever you do.
I got it. I'm being attacked by like 4 fucking Raptors. Level 19, level 15. Oh bitches, I will fuck you up. Should be able to see on the screen if I kill shit. I think we're close enough.
No, I doubt it. You gotta be within, like, I'd say 150 meters, something like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you gotta be, like, basically close enough to maybe shoot an arrow at it for me to see it. But if you die, it announces it globally.
Did you see that?
Nope.
No? Okay.
Did you see mine? I just killed something, too.
No, I didn't. It's a level 9 Bronto fighting a fucking Carno. I'm out.
Yeah, that sounds really dicey.
Which one? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fight. Okay.
Alright. I'm back. My computer updated, by the way. Nobody. So, that's why I left. But what I'm going to do is actually log out.
Are you gonna log out to let your Windows update, or are you gonna sleep?
I'm gonna sleep. I'm pretty tired.
Okay, dude. Well, when you wake up tomorrow, there's gonna be a baby raptor waiting for you.
Yeah.
Do you want him to have a specific name, or you don't give a shit?
I don't care right now. If I come up with something genius when I wake up, then
you can always change it. Okay, yo, when you log out, make sure, how's the base looking? Like, what's really essential left over in the base? I haven't seen it in a while.
Actually, the building that we log out in is completely finished.
How's the pen looking?
The doors are closed. The pen just has a door and a couple walls, so it needs the base walls to be finished. There should be quite a bit.
Successfully killed the Carno and the Bronco.
Okay, let him finish so he can go to bed. Hey, just tell me what's left over and what's high priority right now so we can finish that when you're gone.
The priority is the base walls for the pen, and then once that'll be done, then we can basically screw around.
Okay, so there's already the pen shape, you just need the base walls, like the first layer.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, the shape of the pin is completely done.
Excellent.
That's all it needs.
Okay. That's not too bad. I'll try to also get a smithy made. I really want to get us with metal tools 24/7.
Alright, I am on my way to you with 2 prime meat.
That is delightfully awesome sauce, dude. I actually can't wait to see how big 2 of them will burst onto this guy's face. Ryan, this guy is already so pampered, dude. He's definitely gonna get tamed.
Yeah. Alright, awesome, man.
Alright, it's in my dino.
Awesome, bro. Grab that shit.
Alright. I'll see you guys later. I'll try and wake up somewhat early tomorrow to
Alright.
make sure that someone's on.
Have a good night, brother. Good games.
Yeah, you too.
Good
See you
evening.
guys.
Yeah, bro.
Awesome. Alright, see ya.
Oh.
Are you
man,
hungry?
gotta get
How's your
more.
hunger right now?
I'm good.
Alright.
Like, over 50. It'll probably take them to like 50%. If I can get like 2 more, maybe 3, it'll be tamed.
Absolutely.
Alright, where the Broncos at? Now that I know my dino has no problem taking them down.
Yeah, I feel like once you hit level 15 or 14, you start to get that strength to take on the big guys.
Nice. There's another Bronto.
Nice, dude. Yo, you know what's genius?
From now on, when we start taming carnivores, that's what we need to do. We need to get at least 1 person on the mission to go gather prime meat.
Well, that's
'cause
the thing. Remember
it's so
yesterday
fast.
when my raptor aggroed? It's because I was fighting everything around the Bronto before the Bronto so I can kill the Bronto last. To get the meat for the new raptor. I was on this exact mission, but you're right. When it's a 2-man, then the success rate is way higher. You don't need 3, you don't need 1, you need 2. This is exactly a 2-man job.
That Bronto hurt.
I believe it. Yo, they've killed so many of my raptors. Oh my goodness. I've lost at least 2 to Brontos. Maybe 3.
That one took my health down to a little under 50% HP. And
It's
then
not
that's
that
when I ran.
bad. That's probably a good plan. But I think
I
a
only
little...
ran because I was out of stamina, but if I had the stamina for it, I would straight up fight it all the way to the death, because I know for a fact.
This is why I like the 350 stam. 350 stam is so nice.
Boom, killed it. Oh, I bet.
Man, that level 24 I lost yesterday was incredibly powerful. He was keeping up with Pancake Liquor. And there was like a 15 level difference.
Alright, I'm incoming with 2 more prime meat.
You know, that's excellent. But you know, it's actually right what George said. Having the HP is nice to keep him alive, and you want to kind of get it early, but I think just layering the points into stam health, and then like health damage once you have enough stamina is probably the best way to build a raptor. That way you still keep up with stamina and health, because you need the stamina to fight and run. And when you first start, he has like nothing. He has consciousness. I love building shit perfected, like super perfected. Like, did you ever do perfected characters on Diablo 2?
Yeah, when it comes to video games, I'm always like a perfectionist. I always
Exactly.
explore everything, do everything that you possibly do in a video game.
Yeah, sometimes I think, if I know an area, like, I am aware it's useless, I won't explore it, but I will definitely go to the ends of the earth over and over to get the most powerful stuff. You know, it doesn't have to be a different place, it just has to be where you get the power. Let me see how much is this bursting at? Did he already eat it? No, he didn't touch it yet. Okay, let's see, here we go, he's about to eat it now. He's so silly. What a cute dog. He's just like, I don't know if I want to eat the prime one.
So he still hasn't eaten it yet?
No, these. Oh, he
Hey,
just ate one. That was a big
Oh
burst.
yeah, there it is.
It probably takes a while to charge up the eating of the prime meat, as if he's chewing it or something, or digesting it. Yeah, you're a
So
good
that's
dog.
that's
That was
two
wild.
raptors like within the matter of 10 minutes.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, I was with him for a while, but you still came at least like the 33 to 50% point, maybe. I don't remember really. Actually, no, you came with a prime meat right as he tamed. So mine was already fairly tamed. I was there for a while too, like maybe 20 minutes at least. But this one, how many prime meats did this one have? Like 3 already or 4?
Or
Yeah, this thing is literally the fastest job we've ever done for a raptor. It is ridiculous. And you know what? We owe it all to Shadowfang.
yeah.
Shadowfang is a good dog. And you know what? This guy kind of looks like him. He has the same feathers, right? But he's just a different color. You know? It's like they're cousins. I think mine has the same fucking feathers too. No? Are mine pink too? Do we all have the same feathers? Are we the pink
Yeah,
feathers?
looks like it.
I think we're all the
looks like
same feathers, dude. We're gonna have to find another one with pink feathers that's level 1 or so, and that'll be our 4th to complete the click. This guy definitely needs another narcotic. I'm loving the narcotics, by the way. They're great. They don't annoy him as much.
Try to get one more prime.
Yeah, he pretty
Speed
much
this
will
up
level
a bit.
in 1 prime, but I don't know if you'll find any more readily. Yo, there's somebody coming from the other side on a mount, and they have a torch on.
I just ran away, that's me.
Is it? Okay, yeah, that's you. Maybe you. I think I seen a really far one. Was that you?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you took off in the other direction, so I'm like, wait, what? Okay, my bad, dude. Well, I don't think you even need that, but it'd probably boost the speed by a good bit still. If you can find... No, there is a person. Oh, yeah, that's you again. I'm tripping, dude. The kush is good, what can I say? I keep looking back, I'm like, is that still him? Oh, nice, my dude leveled. What a good dog. Yeah, you're a good boy. Good boy.
Hey, Pride just leveled because I killed this trike that was right here.
Nice.
Level 14 trike. Yeah, it gave me a nice little boost in the speed too. That's the best way to level right there. Like, get a group, like, you know, one other
Just
person.
all
that
munched
can
together.
that can take down the bigger dinos. That way, the lower dinos.
Yo,
are
you know what's
within the
fucked up?
group
We
level.
lost Pancake
Oh.
Licker in the rollback. And now we can't even get him because Buddy left the tribe.
But yeah, yeah.
That was actually one of our most powerful, if not the most powerful asset of the tribe.
Definitely the most powerful dino we had, for sure.
Yeah, he was the strongest tank, the strongest killer. Definitely not the strong, well, definitely not the biggest mule. But strongest tank and strongest killer, which basically led the pack. But you know what? That's your raptor now. Your raptor has taken the top raptor position, man. And that's how you lead the charge. You gotta have this beefy guy in the front, and everybody else can try and bite in the side or just stand on the side till they level.
Yep, that's the best way. I'd imagine that'd be the fastest way to level lower level mounts.
You know what though? We've had a lot of success just picking through the quarry, because the quarry rarely has anything dangerous. I haven't seen anything dangerous there. I've seen like scorpions and like raptors that were hostile, you know, like maybe a Carno or two, and Brontos, which are peaceful. But like there's no T-Rexes in there, you know? You're never like, oh shit, I'm definitely gonna get wrecked here. And Carnos are actually not that bad, and they're very rare in the quarries. I think that's where I went to level like a lot yesterday when I was getting my dude to 24. Okay, this guy's about to tame.
Oh, nice. I see. I still haven't found
This guy's tamed. You can
prime
just
meat
come back now.
dino. Alright.
Yeah, this guy's tamed. He's got a full bar. It's just it hasn't rolled over, but literally any second this guy's done so. I don't know what to call him yet. What do you think we should call him?